the last thing that I want to mention here is the right message to the right person at the right time in the right way. That right way is a gotcha. It's a gotcha. And that's all about consistency. So, you've probably heard the old adage of 7 impressions equals a conversion. It's probably a lot more than that now because we are over-marketed to, but let's just use it. 7 impressions equals a conversion. Well, the understanding of that, or the assumption of that, is that they are 7 consistent impressions. If they are not consistent, if they're not on brand, then you're not actually building those 7. It's just a bunch of one-offs, right? So in order to be consistent, then we've got one final little exercise that we would do in our brand standards, and that is what we call our brand language exercise. And so simply put, the way that you're going to do it is you're going to list out all the ways that you believe your brand communicates, right? So it could be words like communicative or educational, or is it high touch, or is it casual? Different words like that, different descriptors for how your brand communicates. Okay? We're going to go through an exercise that just lists all those out, and then we'll come back and vote on it, and we're trying to come to a top 3 to 5 brand language descriptors. What that's going to give us is, once we've got that brand language, then we can come back and we filter everything back through it. So we're doing an ad. Once that ad is done, we come back to that list and we say, is it at least almost all of these? Or an article. We're writing an article, we come back to it and we say, is it at least almost all of these? Or our website, or the way we answer the phone, or anything, any brand touch. Is at least almost all of these? Because in as much as it is not, it is off-brand, and we are inconsistent, and we are confusing our prospects and our customers. So those are brand standards. These are the things that we're going to talk about. These are the things that we want to nail down for you first and foremost. These are the groundwork pieces that before you go and do anything marketing related, I want you to have these things nailed down so that it's not there's no confusion anymore. We're not trying to reinvent the wheel every time. These are the cornerstones to your marketing, your messaging, to the right person, the right time, the right way, and the right place.